Let me show you a few different things. If your Logitech mouse suffers from double clicking issue, which is extremely common on pretty much most Logitech mouses. So first, let's start with the easiest method, which actually doesn't require anything. What you can do is, for example, if you have a wireless mouse, you can literally just take out your battery. If you have a wired mouse, again, simply unplug it from your computer, and we essentially want to release the static energy stored in the switches. So what you do is simply click your mouse for literally maybe half a minute. Also, if you have wireless mouse, turn it on and off several times, and again, it should completely discharge all the static energy in the mouse, and then simply insert your battery back in and see if that solves the issue. If that doesn't, so the next thing what we can do is we can simply take maybe any dust blower, maybe compressed air, or any way how to blow inside and essentially like clear any junk basically from the switch. So see on this mouse, for example, I can lift up the pedal and you see I can get direct access to the switch. So that tiny white part, so you see the tiny white thing is the top of the switch. Over here we have the hammer that is pressing on the switch, and once it gets pressed, basically the click actually happens. So again, this tiny white part here, for example, on this mouse. On this mouse over here, we have slightly different. For example, this like yellow thing. So see, this yellow thing is the top of the switch. So simply want to take a air blower and simply force a bunch of air inside to basically again get rid of any junk or any dust that might be trapped inside. Maybe close it and click a bit, and again repeat it. So again, you want to force a lot of air inside there. Also, that might even again somehow get rid of any static energy as well, this simple blowing. So again, on this mouse as well, you see, for example, I can shim my finger here and again simply blow out on the switch. This should solve the issue for a lot of people. If that doesn't, what you can also do is you can take a bit of oil, for example WD-40 or any other penetrating oil. So basically take a lot of it. You do not want to spray directly inside, otherwise you will only ruin your mouse. So only you need tiny bit of oil. So you see, I'll simply take like plastic fastener here so that I can dab in the oil here and get a bit of it on basically over here, so I can drop on that switch. So again, what I would do is, let's shim it so it's actually open. I'm not sure if you can see, but as you see, I'm simply taking the oil and simply depositing it on the switch. So completely covering it. So again, the white part of the switch is only the top part that actually goes inside and presses the actual switch inside. So again, we want the oil to flow basically down basically into that switch and oil up the whole mechanism. So again, dab a bit of oil basically, so that white part also allows basically anything to get past it. So you see, close it and again maybe repeat for like 30 seconds this clicking. So again, we want to work the oil inside in the switch and lube it up properly. Also again, since it's penetrating oil, it might also remove any like maybe sometimes basically the parts inside also kind of get like not rusty, but basically they have coppers like plates inside, so sometimes get like a bit grubby. So again, with this penetrating oil, essentially it will even like remove any problems basically the switch has. Okay, so again, and repeat this maybe 3 or 4 times, so with just a bit of oil, and keep working inside in the switch that is faulty for you. So again, for this mouse, pretty much the same. So take a bit of oil, dab it on that switch, and simply work it in. And again, for most parts, this should fix the issue. At least it fixed it for this mouse where I had this issue. Okay, good luck.